Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to archive a project in Basecamp step by step. Archiving a project is a great way to keep your workspace organized by removing completed projects from your active dashboard while still preserving all of their data for future reference. So let's get started. First, sign into your Basecamp account and open the project you want to archive. Before continuing, make sure the project is complete and that your team no longer needs to actively work on it. Next, open the Project Settings, or Manage Projects section, depending on your version of Basecamp. Scroll through the available options until you find the Archive Project option. Now, click Archive Project. Basecamp may ask you to confirm your decision before continuing. Read the confirmation message carefully, then confirm the action if you're ready to archive the project. Once the project has been archived, it will no longer appear with your active projects, but all of its messages, files, to-do lists, schedules, and other project data will remain safely stored. If you ever need to access the project again, you can usually find it in the Archive Projects section and restore it if your account permissions allow. Before finishing, verify that the project has been moved out of your active workspace and let your team know that the project has been archived if necessary. And that's it. You now know how to archive a project in Basecamp and keep your workspace clean while preserving completed project information. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.